Hi, I'm Mrs. Arnett, the Dean of Students at JCA. Welcome. I'm also a graduate of the class of '86, St. Francis Academy, and I'm the proud parent of 3 JCA graduates, Nathan from the class of 2014, Ian from the class of 2016, and my recent graduate, Thomas from the class of 2020. As Dean of Students, I am responsible for the discipline of the building. I'm also in charge of student safety, attendance, and the dress code. JCA's dress code normally, not in pandemic times, is a JCA polo and khaki, black or dark brown or navy blue pants and dress shoes. And then on Fridays, students get to wear spirit wear, which is a JCA shirt or sweatshirt, casual shorts or sweatpants or jeans, and tennis shoes. Because of the pandemic, JCA students get to choose this year between spirit wear and uniforms. You will see me in the hallways, making sure that everyone gets to class on time. You'll also see me at sporting events and in the stands at assemblies, making sure that everyone is behaving and doing what they're supposed to. If you do get a detention, you come to my office and serve your detention in the morning. My door is always open for anybody that would like to come and talk to me. Mrs. Johansson is also in the Dean's office, and we are there to make sure that students are safe and happy at JCA. Hope to see you next year.
For more information, please visit our website.